Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to fix Telegram connecting problem without VPN. It's simple hacks. I will just show you 3 steps to fix this problem. So first of all, you just simply follow my steps. Go in the mobile phone setting. Number one step is that you can simply go in the app management or in app list and simply search the Telegram. Alright, in that setting, number one step, you just simply clear all the data and cache. Alright, in the second step, you can simply go in the permissions and you can allow everything of your mobile phone. And the third step is that you can simply uninstall your app if it's not working, if you're facing still connecting problem. So you can simply uninstall your problem and then go in the Play Store and then reinstall your app. It will fix. I hope this video will work for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.